Hi everybody, this is Sherry from Donnelly Ford, and look what I have for you today. This is a beautiful 2016 Ford F-250 Lariat. This is a Super Duty diesel, and this baby is loaded. Lots of extra chrome on this front end, really bright headlights, fog lights, and 2 hooks on the front. Large extended mirrors help you when you're pulling that extra long trailer so you can see what's going on behind you. Really nice tires on this. The step-up is chrome with non-skid pads on the top of it. Backup sensors, dual exhaust, and your front passenger seat has the amenities as well. Your backseat passengers can enjoy some temperature control back here. They've got their own vents to open or close, and they can also plug in their devices. You have just over 65,000 miles on here. Your 2- and 4-wheel drive, and your trailer braking. Got a nice sized console on here that does include a backup camera. Always nice to be able to see where you're backing into. And this AC is nice and cold. 4 cup holders, plenty of leg and headroom. You can set up your garage here so that you don't have to have your opener with you. Comes with adjustable pedal height. And I must say that stereo sounds sweet. Dual overhead bins to hold all those sunglasses. And here's your hill assist and stabilization. This is an absolutely beautiful vehicle. It's in very, very good condition. Just over $40,000. Come in and see Sherry at Donnelly Ford, and let's get you on a test drive.